Do you know the biggest risk in your supply chain is not production cost, it is the communication cost. Have you ever heard these horror stories? You send your drawing and all the spec sheets to a factory overseas. Of course, they tell you yes, no problem sir, but 3 months later, when you open up your container, you find out the product is almost right but not right. Usually, this kind of problem never comes from the machine, but it comes from the language barriers. You need a partner who really understands exactly when you say perfect fitment means, but not someone who actually needs to go and look up in the dictionary what it means. Hi, I'm Leon from Aofinova, Taiwan. In Aofinova, we do not use translator to do business. I always speak directly with my partners in the US. Why? Because when we are helping our customer to develop a custom-made product line, details matters. We are not just a factory. Unlike other factory owners hiding in an office, I'm always online, I'm always here to talk strategy with you and understand what you need in English. So let's cut out the translator or middleman to get things right. With Aofinova, we always get the details right for the very first time. I'm Leon. If you need us, let's talk.